Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Grand token from Coinbase Finance. This token is on the Basechain. You can find them on Basechain, and it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 14th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Coinbase token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Coinbase is a decentralized market for spot synthetic real-world assets designed to provide exposure to RWAs without holding the actual underlying asset. And like I said, this token is on the Basechain. You can find them on Basechain. Max total supply of this token is 17,500,000 tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. And right now they have 1,834 holders, so they're off to a great start. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 14th at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Grand, and then simply just buy the token. Now on Mexc Global, they have the ticker symbol listed as Grand, and name of the token is Coinbase. But if you were to look up this token on Basechain, the actual name of the token is just Grand and ticker symbol is GB. And that's because there was already a token with the ticker symbol GB. That's pretty common that there would be a token with that ticker symbol already. So there was already one on Mexc Global, and that's why they put the ticker symbol as Grand instead of GB. But just be aware, the actual ticker symbol is GB. It's just listed as Grand on Mexc. So Coinbase.io is their official webpage. That's where you're going to find all their socials, all the links, their document section. You can go to docs.coinbase.io for more info. So the synthetic hub of Base. Coinbase is a decentralized market for spot synthetic RWAs. Now, we believe that the safest and most competitive way to provide RWA exposure on the blockchain is through synthetic assets, combined with an active market to ensure deep liquidity. So traditional, this is the problem that they're trying to solve. Traditional ways similar to stock and commodities plays a pivotal role within a global traditional economy, supplying more than a few benefits to traders with a huge request anticipated at $300 trillion. To make RWAs on the blockchain, it is often essential to hold the real asset in query. The demand creates the main handicap for DeFi structures. Not only does it involve significant costs, but it impacts projects' budgets directly. But it additionally forces structures to undergo centralized entities and ignore all translucency, leaving at the back of a cornerstone of the blockchain morality. The solution, synthetic assets reflected on-chain. With Coinbase, you don't need to hold or own the underlying asset to benefit from it. Users can invest and exchange synthetic representations of RWAs on the blockchain, disposing of intermediaries and the associated expenses for both customers, and the protocol. So they have G assets, which are the Grand Base assets. These assets are ERC20 mirroring RWAs and backed by on-chain assets used as collateral. This guarantees the value and stability of G assets. What is more, the on-chain assets backing the G assets are part of the liquid market, ensuring that customers can enter and exit their positions easily at any time. Also, decentralized liquidity. So the architecture we have implemented guarantees constant liquidity for users and an additional layer of security based on decentralized LPs. G asset LP tokens are owned by the protocol's users. Grand Base's mission is clear: to provide transparency, secure, and decentralized access to traditional assets while guaranteeing liquidity and stability for its users. So Grand assets are tokens that act as actual versions of the real-world assets using replicating prices directly on-chain and are exchangeable anytime on a decentralized exchange. Unlike traditional tokens, which represent an underlying actual asset, G assets are synthetic, reflecting best the price fluctuation of the corresponding asset. The price feed comes from an oracle, and we use Chainlink. The data is particularly used to set the collateral ratio for a G asset issued. The valuation of G assets align with the traditional marketplace hours, and this does not hinder their trading. They are available for trading on relevant dexes at any time. Everyone can mint G assets that are whitelisted by the protocol by providing collateral. Users must maintain a guaranteed ratio at least equal to the product of the minimum guarantee ratio, the collateral. The ratio is mainly 150% depending on the asset. So the value of the user's collateral against the minted asset must exceed the minimum collateral ratio for the transaction to be successfully executed. Now, if you want to go over the rest, like the liquidation and the auction discount rates, and they have the close position section, LP tokens, ecosystem fees, 3 pillars. So there's also a staking section. You'll be able to stake to earn tokens. And then they also have a trade and earn section. But lastly, they have the tokenomics. Like I said, it's on the Basechain. 10% of the tokens go to the marketing budget, 10% initial liquidity tokens, 20% trading incentives, 45% goes to staking rewards, 8% private sale, and 7% team tokens for a total supply of 50 million tokens. They also have a user guide, frequently asked questions, if you want to check that out. They also have Medium articles you could read, tons of information, and this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.